Namaste Hindustan, I am Dev and you are watching Jai Hindustan. If you are new to the channel, please do like, share and subscribe. Dear friends, today we are not just telling a story, we are unveiling the saga of true titan, a man who defied destiny, armed himself with the knowledge and became the architect of modern India. He was a beacon of wisdom for the entire world. Today, we talk about the incredible life journey of Dr. Bhimrao Ramji Ambedkar Baba Saheb. April 14, 1891 in Moho, a boy is born into the Mahar community. Labeled untouchable by the cruel caste system, his name is Bhim. From his very first breath, the world told him he was less than others. In school, he wasn't allowed to sit inside the classroom. He had to carry his own mat. When he needed water, a peon poured it from a height. A drop of his hand could pollute the vessel. This wasn't a school, it was a daily test of dignity. But listen to this, friends. While the world tried to break him, Bhimrao decided to master it. His father Ramji Sakwal, an army man, pushed him to study with the crucial support of Maharaja of Baroda, Sayajirao Gaikwad. This boy stepped onto a ship and sailed across the Kalapani, a forbidden journey at the time, to conquer the world's most prestigious universities. Columbia University USA, MA and PhD in Economics, a master's degree and a doctorate. London School of Economics, UK, Doctor of Science in Economics, the highest academic degree possible. Gray's Inn, UK, barrister at law, qualified as a lawyer. He returned with enough degrees to fill a library, becoming one of the most educated people in the world. He was a world wisest person, not just by title, but by sheer, unyielding power of his intellect. He proved that education is most powerful weapon against injustice. But the moment he set foot back in India, the degrees didn't matter to the castists. He still faced humiliation, and that's when Dr. Ambedkar decided enough. He switched his courtroom from London to dusty lanes of India, dedicating his life to liberating his people. In 1927, the Mahad Satyagraha, a crucial battle, Baba Saheb led thousands to public water tank, the Chowta Tale asserting their right to public resources. He was telling the nation, water is for all, dignity is for all. This was a revolutionary act that shattered the nation of untouchability. The Pune Act in 1932. He went head to head with Mahatma Gandhi at the Round Table conferences to ensure political rights for the depressed classes. Though he fought for separate electorates, he eventually signed the Pune Act to save Gandhi's life. Securing reserved seats for Dalits in the joint electorate, he showed he could be a warrior but also a statesman. He started newspapers like Mook Nayak, leader of the silent, and Viksit Bharat, excluded India, giving a voice to millions who had been silenced for centuries. This was his struggle period, a non-stop ferocious fight against the deeply entrenched evil of the caste system. Finally, in 1947, India is free. Who would draft the foundational law of this massive, diverse nation? Who had the wisdom, the legal genius, and the deep understanding of social inequality needed for this task? Dr. B.R. Ambedkar, the chairman of the drafting committee. As a chief architect, he crafted the world's longest and most detailed written constitution. His vision wasn't just to form a government, but to forge a social revolution. The abolition of untouchability, Article 17, his greatest triumph. It declared untouchability is illegal, making it a punishable offense and officially ending a cruel chapter of history. The right to equality, Article 14, he ensured everyone, regardless of caste, creed or gender, is equal before the law. The soul of Constitution, Article 32, he called the right to constitutional remedies the very soul of Constitution, the provision that allows any citizen to go to the Supreme Court if their fundamental rights are violated. He didn't just give rights, he gave the power to protect them. Economic vision, a trained economist, he enshrined principles of social and economic justice through the directive principles of state policy, advocating for state socialism, ensuring the state's role in securing public welfare, land reforms, and nationalization of the key industries for equitable wealth distribution. He took the pain of his past and turned it into the protection for India's future. He wasn't just a successful person, he was a successful nation builder. After gifting India its foundational sacred text, the Constitution, he fought relentlessly for Hindu code bill to reform Hindu personal laws, especially granting women rights to divorce and property. When his efforts were blocked, he resigned in protest in 1951, declaring his commitment to women's equality was absolute. On October 14, 1956, he embraced Buddhism in Nagpur, leading hundreds of thousands of followers on a path of dignity, equality, and compassion rooted in liberty, equality, and fraternity. On December 6, 1956, this great soul passed away, leaving behind a nation armed with justice. In 1990, India rightly honored him with its highest civilian award, the Bharat Ratna. Dear friends, Dr. B.R. Ambedkar's life is a blueprint for every Indian. He started as the most excluded person, and he finished as the most included person in history. The one who drafted the rules for every citizen. His wisdom wasn't just in his degrees, it was in his ability to feel the pain of lost man and turn that pain into law. He showed us that measure of truly wise and successful person is not how high they climb, but how many people they lift with them. I am Dev and you are watching Jai Hindustan. Thank you very much for watching. Please do like, share and subscribe. Jai Bhim, Jai Hindustan.